Did you know that the parts of the original statue are now in two different images of the Nazareno? The original body is on the image being brought out for the annual procession. The original head is on the image resting on the main altar. On January 9, 2007, both originals will be together in a rare event commemorating the 400th year celebration of the Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno. Tara na, sama na sa paggunita ng ika-400 taong pagdiriwang ng Nuestro Padre Jesus Nazareno. For your concerns and suggestions, contact us at the Nazareno 400 Secretariat Office, 4th floor Cardinal Sin Building, Minor Basilica of the Black Nazarene, Quiapo, Manila.